Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be seeing some important questions on cubes and dices. We have already seen the three parts of this chapter. Now it's a time for some important questions. So let us begin with the first MCQ. So students, if we look at the first question, they are saying that the six faces of a die have been marked with alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F respectively. This die is rolled down 3 times. The 3 positions are shown as below. So find the alphabet opposite A. So let me write down the solution. So students, if I look at figures 2 and 3, let me go for some observations. So I'll just write it down. So from figures 2 and 3, what can we see? So let me look at it. I can say that C, D, B and F cannot appear opposite E. So I am left only with one face which is opposite to E, that is A. Or we can also say that E is opposite to A. So they have asked us find the alphabet opposite to A. So we can say the answer to this question will be option D, that is alphabet E. Now let us go for the next MCQ. Here we have been given a cube-like structure and we have been asked to count the total number of cubes. तो चलिए देखते हैं total number of cubes कितने हैं. So from the figure we can say that we are having 9 columns having 5 cubes. Then we are having 7 columns containing 4 cubes. Then we are having 5 columns containing 3 cubes. And finally, we are having 1 column with 1 cube. So now let me go for the total number of cubes. So I will do 9 multiplied by 5 plus 7 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 3 and add 1 to it. So 9 times 5 is 45. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 3 is 15. And then I add 1 to it. So if I add 45, 28, 15 and 1, I get the answer to be as option E, that is 89. Now let me go for the third MCQ. It says that if the dice 1, 2 and 3 have even number of dots on their bottom faces, then what would be the total number of dots on the top faces? So let me go for the solution. So students, if we look at the figures 1, 2 and 3, the even numbers are at the bottom. So students, we can say that the top faces will have 3, 1 and 3. So they have asked us what would be the total number of dots on the top faces. So what we do students, हम इसका add करते हैं. We will add 3, 1 and 3 and that gives us the answer to be as 7, which is option B. Now let me go for the next MCQ. They have said that if even number dice have even number of dots on their top faces, what would be the total number of dots on the top faces of these dice? So let me go for the solution. So students, if we go for the solution, we can see the figures 2, 4 and 6 and go for the observations. So from figures 2, 4 and 6, what can we see? We can see that the total number of dots on the top faces are 6, 6 and 6. So they have asked us the total number of dots on the top faces of this dice. So we add 6, 6 and 6 and that gives us 18. So the answer to this question will be option A, which is 18. And now let us go for the next MCQ. In this they have given again a cubical figure and they have asked to find us the total number of cubes in this figure. So now let us go for the solution. So there are 11 columns having 4 cubes. Then we are having 7 columns with 3 cubes. And then we are having 2 columns of 2 cubes. So now let us go for the total number of cubes. That will be 11 multiplied by 4 plus 7 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So 11 times 4 is giving me 44 plus 7 times 3 is giving me 21 and 2 times 2 is giving me 4. So 44 plus 21 plus 4 is giving me the answer to be as option B, which is 69. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and please do subscribe our channel.